Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Today, we're talking about EVs and battery life. It would appear that the massive growth and interest in the EV market, that it almost would seem to say that extending the EV life battery, whether it be range or chargeability, efficiency times, just overall lifespan, any one of those three assets if it can be improved, it's a win, right? Well, it appears that PNNL, which is the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, has discovered a way to make a pouch design battery cell. This does a couple of things. This is pretty exciting. We're going to include the link for you guys in this video. So check it out. What this really does is it extends the life of the battery, you get more range out of it, but also you're going to be able to get more life out of the battery itself, meaning you'll be able to charge and drain it down, far more often than you would a normal lithium battery. This is big news because the concern for lithium right now is always in an EV application. How many times can you drive your car or truck or whatever, charge it, and then every time you do, is the cell slowly dying? Thus having to change out the batteries every so often. Obviously, no car manufacturers want that. Obviously, no car purchasers want that. So if we can find a way to make this work together, this would make it a lot better overall for an overall purchase for the EV, and the argument of EV over gasoline, internal combustion engines. So with that said, I'd like to take a minute here and thank you guys all for watching. If you guys like what we're doing here, if you have any suggestions, subscribe to our channel, write some suggestions below, leave some comments, and let us know if we can help, what else you guys would like us to see doing. With that said, thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here, Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks so much.